Good morning, students. I welcome you all to this MCOM third semester. In this MCOM third semester, you are going to study. So, totally six subjects, okay, which are finance and accounting related. You have this time there's a specialization accounting and finance group. Okay, so in accounting, you are going to study the subjects like accounting for specialized institutions, corporate accounting, then compulsory subjects like multinational business finance, next computer applications in business. There's the computer related subject. One subject you are going to study that the accounting information system. Computer application in business. There is also another subject you are going to study in fourth semester. Then the subject open elective Karnataka economy, that one you are going to study, and finance related subject, the fundamentals of financial derivatives. So this time I am going to handle the subject that the corporate accounting. So actually it is a advanced subject, and about this subject you have already studied at your BCom level. So preliminary level, basic level, corporate accounting aspect you have studied at your BCom level. But here at this MCom level, it is a advanced level, and the nature of this subject is completely problematic. Okay, so the if you want to observe the say syllabus of this subject is concerned, already I have sent you that the syllabus on this say subject, and you are going to study the units like one is first one is that is the subject, one is that is the um, valuation of valuation of goodwill and shares, that is the one chapter you are going to study. Then another subject, that is the company final accounts, company final accounts. Next you are going to study about accounting for mergers and amalgamations. Next one is liquidation of companies. And finally, there are the group accounts. Group accounts, uh, where you are going to study about the holding company accounts. Already I have started the lecturing on that is the valuation of goodwill. So this is the first topic I want to take for the lecturing is concerned. And there we have so far discussed. One request I want to make to my students is that please maintain one separate notebook for this subject is concerned, because whatever discussions, whatever notes, materials we collect, so that will be stored in this notebook only. Okay, so first we have just here I want to make the recall of what aspect we have studied. In the first aspect, we have studied about the meaning of goodwill. Okay, so pertaining to the goodwill is concerned, okay, there are many opinions are there, many thinkings are there. So that already have discussed with you. So it is a capacity or ability to earn extra profit, extra profit as compared to the normal profit that is earned by the business. So it is the extra profit, extra earning profit, earning capacity of the business. So there is a relation here we are observing between the normal profit and extra profit. beyond the normal profit what we are earning. Okay, so it may be a super profit. Okay, so for that capacity we may term it in the goodwill. Second opinion is it is defined to be the attractive force of business. It is the attractive force. Okay, because of that attractive force, it attracts the customer. Goodwill has that meaning. Next, it is the attractive force which brings in customer, which brings in customer. Because of that attractive force, business here it attracts and brings the customer. Next, it is the benefit or advantage of good name, reputation of the business. Okay, that is also the meaning for goodwill. Okay, it is the advantage of good name, then reputation of the business. And later on, we are going to study about. So, what are the different factors? What are the different factors that affects the value of goodwill? So one is nature of the goods. Nature of the goods is that one of the influencing factor. Say pertaining to the goods is concerned, we observe many types: perishable goods, non-perishable goods, luxury goods. Like that, we observe many varieties of goods. But business concerns which are dealing in say certain type of goods. Okay, because of that nature of the goods. It is in a position to here to earn the goodwill. Okay, say for example, daily usable products, daily usable goods. Okay, business concerns which are dealing in that goods. Say for example, products like say tea, coffee. So they are all daily consumable goods. Okay, for which there is always a business. Then monopolistic nature of the business, the monopolistic nature that is enjoyed by the business in the market, no competitors, complete market is enjoyed by the business concern. So those business concerns which are enjoying that say position, okay, obviously it enjoys more amount of goodwill. Then trade name in the market. That is also one of the plus point to earn a goodwill. Next, risk involved in the business. Greater the risk involved, the higher the profits are. Okay, business concerns which involves the high risk. Okay, so they earn say more profit as compared to the business concerns which incur lower risk. Okay, so from the risk point of view, say defining the or relating with the goodwill. Then favorable location and site. Okay, location from the market point of view, customers point of view, centralized marketplace. So all these aspects it comes in the favorable location and site. Then possession of the trademarks, patents and copyrights. That is also one of the important aspects. Business concerns which are enjoying all these facilities, all these what you say assets, trademarks, patents and copyrights. So they are in a position to enjoy, say here, uh, a good amount of goodwill. Then easy access of raw material. Okay, so the very easy place of getting the supply of raw material from the supplier, that is also most important. So from the transportation cost point of view, cost can be saved if the location of the raw material supply is near. Then skill of management, the dynamic management team which manages the say business concern. That is the plus point. Okay. Next, possession of exceptional contracts. Okay, with the suppliers. Okay, that's the most important thing. Future competition. Okay, if there is a more competition in the future days. Okay, obviously, it leads for the say struggle in earning the goodwill. Okay, that is also important aspect. Money market conditions. Okay, because especially the flow of say money is concerned, it mainly happens in the money market. Okay, because business it gets the money from these markets, and conditions in that market it affects the business condition. Then stable political conditions. Okay, a stable political condition in the nation, powerful government, government decisions, government policies towards the business. So these are the influencing things. Then, yes, government industrial policy, that aspect you have studied. There is also related with the political condition, government industrial policy, government say policies towards the industry. Thank you, friends. Okay, again I will meet you in the next session of the lecturing, where I am going to discuss with you more aspects